Hi Tenugui fans! Hope you are enjoying your summer wherever you are. Okay, the New York is so hot every day, so I have to take a water or bottle of the tea and cold one, and when I go out with me. So what I do, I use wrapped up with Tenugui and carry with me. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So here is your favorite Tenugui. This is a tattoo artist collaboration Tenugui. This is a Nikita's one. So this Tenugui is longer size. So I'm gonna fold the top about 2 inches. But depends on your Tenugui. You can do it no fold or less fold. Just up to your Tenugui size. And then here the chilled cold is tea here. And then you can just set and the end here. You can see, yes, the end. And then roll up this, there you go. And then you can see here, so this top you're gonna twist, but you don't go this way, it's gonna be open up, so you're gonna be this way. There you go. And twist. You're gonna twist all the way. Go. And then you hold here the neck of bottle, and then you can wrap this, and here have an end, so you can see my finger from bottom to top, so you can put from here from bottom to top, put nicely, and then still have a little more, so I'm gonna put one more time, bottom to top. There you go. So now you have a handle. You can carry your water any place you go. Try. And okay, have a wonderful summer, everybody. Stay cool. And then see you soon. Bye.